This store right here is generating thousands per month affiliate marketing on Pinterest. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can replicate this process to start making money just like this for yourself. So starting off, we're going to need a product, and to find the best product, I recommend going to Clickbank and clicking top offers. Here, it'll be a whole bunch of offers that have really high paying conversions. And for the sake of this video, I'm just going to go with this top one right here, whatever that is. So you're just going to have to type in your username. Tracking ID does not matter. Then click create hop link. You don't need to do anything with this right now, but just copy it and just keep it in this tab. So now from here, we're gonna wanna head over to Pinterest, of course. Once you're on Pinterest, just create an account. I'm gonna use my Google just because it's way quicker. It's gonna ask you a few things like your gender, just a whole bunch of stuff, just answer it. This stuff I don't think really matters, so I'm trying to click random ones. So you've now created your Pinterest account, but you need to convert it to a business account. Head over to Pinterest, go to account management and click convert account. It's gonna ask you a few things again, like your profile name, website, country, all this stuff. But now we're gonna start mixing in the AI. So with our profile name, we're gonna head over to ChatGPT. And once we're on ChatGPT, we're gonna ask it to generate us a name based on our niche. So I'm gonna ask it, can you generate me 10 usernames in the health and wellness niche? Oh, health and fitness niche. And now, here we go. We got a whole bunch. I think I like Flex Fusion, but I feel like it's gonna be taken. So I'm gonna do Wellness Warrior. I think that's pretty cool. So you're gonna set it to Wellness Warrior. Do you have a website? No. It's gonna ask your focus of your brand. Just do health and fitness. Click any one of these. Describe your business. Just put blogger, and you're not running ads. And okay, now you're gonna be on this where would you like to start screen. So just click the X on the screen. You don't need to do anything with it. And now you're gonna head over to your settings. So now you're gonna wanna set your username, and Wellness Warrior is taken for me. So I'm just gonna go with maybe Wellness_Warrior. So now we got our username, and it is the_Wellness Warrior. And this username is okay, but I recommend you guys go with something a little bit more professional. Now we're gonna head back over to ChatGPT, and we're gonna ask it to generate us this about section right here. So we're gonna write, can you generate me a 250 character about section, and it'll generate this. Yep. Okay, this is definitely not 250 characters. Okay, I'll just ask it again, and there we go. Perfect. So now just paste it into your about, and now we're gonna do our final thing, which is the profile picture. For our profile picture, we're gonna be using a website called Canva. So head over to Canva, click create design, and click logo. So now on the side, there's gonna be a whole bunch of different logo templates, but I'm just gonna look up, oh, this one looks good. I'm gonna do Wellness Warrior. And I do like the love your health thing, so I'm just gonna keep it. And maybe I'll change the colors too, just to be different. So this is what we're going with, Wellness Warrior. So now you're gonna wanna click download and download it. So now click save, head back to your profile, and it's looking pretty good. You're just missing the cover though. So you can either take the Canva route with this cover, or you can do what I'm about to do, which is use stock images. So for stock images, I heavily recommend this website called Pexels. A lot of these stock image websites cost a ton of money, but Pexels is completely free. We'll just look up fitness, and you know what? I'll go with this one. So now you're gonna wanna click the plus and just drag it on, and it's done. So now our profile is looking good. So now it's time for the Pinterest part. So to create our pins, we're gonna be using Canva again. So head over to Canva and click mobile video. So now it'll be on the same template with all these things on the side. I'm just gonna look up fitness again, and there's all of these. I'm just gonna go with this one I found, and there's these two little things of text right here, but I'm actually gonna delete these, and I'm just gonna add my own. You're gonna want 3 different types of text, so you're gonna want one at the top. And for the one at the top, I'm gonna do fitness tip of the day. So this text is kind of hard to see, so click on effects, and you can add a background, which is what I'm gonna do. Then we're also gonna get another text. I can just copy this one and drag it all the way to the bottom, and I'm gonna make this one say, perfect. So now we're gonna make this smaller. There we go. So we have a black one and a white one. And now we're going to need our last piece of text. Make sure you guys pay close attention because I'm about to show you a crazy hack. So you're going to want to get another thing of text. So I'm just going to add a text box, and you're just going to want to center this one. So you can just leave this text blank for now, but head over to ChatGPT and ask them this. Can you generate me a table of 25 fitness tips? So now you have this really long table of a bunch of fitness tips. So you're just going to want to copy all of these and head back over to Canva. From here, go to apps, and there should be a little button right here that says bulk create, or you could just search it, but make sure to click this and click enter data manual. So now this whole table thing is going to appear, so just click clear table because we don't want that. Click here and control V to paste, and here's your table. So you're just going to want to title it and click done. So now that you have your table, click on your text, right click it and click connect data, and then over here it should say tables, which is the ones you just created. So click these and continue and generate 26 pages. So now that we have all these, go to the top, click share and download. So make sure you check this button that says download pages as separate files. Just check it and click download. Since it is 25 videos, it will take a bit of time, but in the meantime, let's create our link shortener. So for our link shortener, we're gonna use direct.me. This will make it so your link looks like this instead of this. So my direct.me is gonna be wellness_warrior. Just make it whatever your page is. It's gonna ask you a few things, but just click on your niche and click continue. So now it's gonna ask you for your link in bio, and this is where this link right here comes in from the very start. So you're gonna wanna copy it, head back over and click paste and continue. It's gonna ask you a few more things, just add later, and you can add your profile picture if you want. Okay, so there we go, perfect. Now you're gonna wanna click my page. You're gonna wanna add an item, link your URL, and paste in your link right here. It should take a second to do like a little loady thingy. And right here is your title. So I'm gonna do best weight loss method. And click done and click add. You can add like a little icon to it if you want. I'll just do it for the sake of showing you guys how to do it. I'll just go with the lightning. And then there we go. So now you want to click this button and just click copy link. So now let's finish things up and head back over to Pinterest. So click on edit profile, and under the website section, paste in your direct.me link. And now it should be looking like this. So when you click on the direct.me link, it redirects you to here, and then here's your affiliate link right here. So now it's finally time to post the pins. So go over here, click create, and create idea pin. Then you're gonna wanna drag in one of your pins. So I'll just drag in this one, and you can name it fitness tip of the day #1. So now for your description, put something along the lines of best way to lose weight, link in bio. And then you're gonna wanna choose a board, create board, and just do weight loss or whatever you want yours to be. And then you can add some tags. I'm gonna do weight loss, and maybe I'll do fitness and health. So there we go. We're gonna click publish and we're done. So now our pin is up and we're gonna start getting traffic from it. But just remember, we made 25 of these in about 5 minutes. So if you were to upload 25 a day, imagine how much traffic you'd be getting. I just realized, oh my God, I had my light off this whole recording. Anyway, if this video did help you guys, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And all the feedback really does help me out a ton. Anyway, I'm done wasting your guys' time. Thank you for watching.